Hello friends, in this video we'll learn about level and entry component of Tkinter module. So in previous video we have learned how to create a screen, GUI screen, and how to maximize and minimize to a particular limit of a screen. So first of all I would like to discuss about level components and entry components. So you have seen in any screen there are some texts and some entry box. So for example here you can see one login form. Here you can see some texts and some entry box like username is level, and there is one entry box where we have to enter our username. Also there is one passport and entry box for our passport and two buttons. Okay, so now in this video we'll write the code for levels and also for entry boxes. So let's get started with coding. So first of all, we will write the code for level components. So here I am creating one variable that is L1 is equal. After is equal, you have to write the level components. So L will be the capital and ABEL, which will be the smaller. Next, under parenthesis, you have to write at which screen you have to place the level components. Okay, so I am going to place the level component on the root screen which I have created before. So if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch my previous video. The link will be provided on the description section. There you will learn how to create any screen, also how to maximize and minimize the screen. So next you have to give the text which you like to display on the screen. Text is equal. So under double quotation you have to write the text. So here I am writing hi everyone. So here you can give the font of the text. So there is one font keywords where you can give the text style, also the size of the text. So I am writing font is equal. Under parenthesis you have to write the text style. I am giving the Arial style. Also the size of the text, that will be 20, and text will be bold. Okay. Next, at which position we want to arrange the level function level components to the screen. So to arrange the level components or any components in Tkinter module, there are three basic components. So first is peg function. So here you can see peg function. Next is grid function, and last is place function. Okay, so you can use any of the three functions. So first of all I will use the peg function. So to use peg function, so if we'll run without arranging the components, there you will not see any level on the screen. So first of all we will go to run, and we will run the R3. So here you can see one screen has been created, but there is no level on the screen. So to display the screen we have to use the arrangement components. Okay, so first of all we'll use peg function. So to use peg function we'll write first variable name of level dot, we'll write peg. Okay, now we'll run the code. So here you can see hi everyone text has been displayed on the screen. Okay, so there are some keywords which we can use in peg function like fill. So we can use fill is equal capital X, which will fill full screen of the level. So here you want to check. So here you can check the changes on the screen. So there is no changes on the screen. So because the color of the screen and the fill color is same. So if we change the background with the screen color, here you can see the changes. So we'll use, that is, background color bg is equal to yellow. Okay, we have given the background color of the text, that is yellow. Okay, now we'll check the changes. So here you can see our level is on full screen of text view. Okay, next, there are many more keywords we can use on paid function, that is paid x, so which will use for giving the padding of the x view. And also you can also use, so here paid x is equal to 10 I have given, and also I will give paid y which will be 5, or we can give 10. Okay, so here you can see the changes, that is, here you can see on the above level there is 10 pixel gap, and on the left side you can see the pad x is 10. Likewise you can give inner pad x, which will be padding, which will give the padding inside the level. Also you can use pad y, I pad y, which will give gap inside the level. Okay, I'm not going to use ipad now. So if you would like to use, you can try it. So next we are going to use, so next is the entry components. So for entry components, first of all we will create one variable and we'll write the entry components, and under parenthesis we'll write where entry component will be displayed. So on root screen we would like to display, so I have given the root, and we will place the entry components. So e1 dot pack. Okay, so now we'll run the code. So here you can see one entry box has been created here. So here you can enter any text. Okay, so the entry box is very small and our texts are very small in size. Okay, so we'll resize the text size and also the entry size. So here we'll write the font size. Font is equal to, font style will be Arial, and size will be 20, and we will give the darkness bold. Okay, and the width of the entry box will be 50. So now we will check the entry box again. Okay, something went wrong. So I have written the bold spelling B in uppercase, so it will be on lowercase. So here you can see one entry box has been created, and its width is bigger, so we'll decrease the width. So it takes on character wise, so 50 character is very bigger, so we'll take it 20. Okay, so now we'll run it. So here you can see our width has been decreased to 20 character. Now we can write anything. So here you can see our text size is also better, and our text box is also better. So in next video we'll learn about lace arrangement components, also button components, text component of Tkinter module. So for today, thank you. Bye bye.